Hey guys, welcome back to Thehobbyfarm Homestead. Today we're still back out here trying to get some of this monster wood split up today. We're gonna have to probably split it up with the splitting maul, probably just drive it in, then drive it in the rest of the way with the sledgehammer, just to get these busted up a little ways so I can get them up on the log splitter. So let's go ahead and get some of these busted up and see if we can get it split down into a pile here, and we'll get it stacked up. So let's get at it. right, guys, well, that was a little bit of splitting. I had to actually quarter those up because they were just too heavy for me to get on the splitter. This wood is still super wet. Like I said before, it's like a sponge. It'll soak up water, but once it's split like this, it dries. Like next 3 days we have a couple days of really good weather, and it'll dry out. So what I want to do is get it stacked underneath the lean-to. I'll probably burn this in the shop because I don't really have a real long chimney there, and it's not that big of a deal. If it creosotes up a little bit, I can clean it real easy. So, but that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to get back at it, but I think I might split some of the maple over there in those two piles just to get some wood split for the house. But until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, well, it's the next day. We're out here by all the maple wood that I have stacked up over here, or piled up. So these are already busted up into rounds. Some of them are kind of large, but they're relatively dry, so I can get them up on the splitter. Some of these bigger ones, like that one and that one right there, I will have to probably tip the splitter up and just bust them in half or whatnot. So it's about 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna spend about an hour or two back here splitting. I'll throw you guys on time lapse to see what we can get done. All right, well, that's about an hour. Put you on time lapse, so it seemed like a couple minutes, right? But that's what I got done, and I really didn't even put a dent in these two piles. So some of these bigger ones, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna tip this thing up, roll them over there, and get them busted up. It's gonna be a whole lot easier. At least get them halved up. That way I can get them on this thing without killing myself. So probably what I'm going to do is just going to stack this wood in between these two trees for now and just cover it up. But that's all for splitting wood. I got one more good day coming up. Well, actually two, because today was 74 degrees and it's October 23rd. So, you know, I'm taking advantage of the weather. But it is kind of warm to split wood. I mean, you usually want it about 40 degrees out, no wind. It's a good day to split wood. You don't get wringing wet with sweat. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.